At the IDEX 2025 Defense Exhibition in Abu Dhabi, Daimler Truck unveiled one of the most impressive solutions for modern armed forces, the Zetros 2036A 4x4. This powerful vehicle was designed to meet the growing needs of the military for reliable, high-mobility vehicles capable of operating in the toughest conditions. The challenges faced by modern armed forces are becoming increasingly complex. Troops must operate in areas with limited access to standard infrastructure, and the terrain often presents difficult obstacles. In these conditions, conventional trucks are simply not up to the task. This is where the Zetros comes in, promising to be the perfect solution for military forces looking to enhance their logistical capabilities and improve efficiency in field operations. One of the key distinguishing features of the Zetros is its unique bonnet design, which sets it apart from traditional vehicles with a forward control setup. This design significantly reduces vibrations experienced by both the crew and the cargo. In rugged terrain, where every bump can lead to additional wear and tear, this protection helps maintain the integrity of both personnel and equipment. But it's not just the design that makes this vehicle exceptional. Under the hood, the Zetros is powered by the Mercedes-Benz OM 460 engine, delivering 360 horsepower. This six-cylinder engine, optimized for low RPMs, allows the vehicle to confidently traverse various natural obstacles, from sand dunes to deep mud. The high torque available from the start provides the necessary maneuverability for the toughest challenges. In addition to its technical specifications, the Zetros offers true modularity. It is capable of performing a variety of roles, from troop transport to providing communication and medical support. The ability to adapt the platform for specific needs allows the military to quickly respond to changing conditions, transforming the Zetros into a mobile base equipped with the necessary technology. Furthermore, great attention has been paid to ease of maintenance. Unlike many military trucks where the entire cabin must be raised to access the engine, the Zetros allows for quick and efficient servicing. This approach significantly reduces downtime and ensures that the vehicle remains operational, even in resource-limited environments. One of the most critical elements of military vehicles is their ability to navigate complex routes. The Zetros is equipped with large wheels and a unique tire pressure management system, allowing it to adapt to different types of terrain, from snowfields to sandy deserts. With its dimensions of 8,840 mm in length, 2,550 mm in width, and 3,560 mm in height, the vehicle strikes a balance between load capacity and off-road capability. The 5,100 mm wheelbase adds stability when traversing uneven roads, ensuring the vehicle can handle any obstacle with confidence. The Zetros 2036A 4x4 from Mercedes-Benz is more than just an off-road vehicle. It's a cutting-edge solution designed to meet the challenges of modern military conflicts by offering superior mobility, modularity, and ease of maintenance. It is perfectly suited for armies that prioritize mobility, reliability, and the ability to operate in the most demanding environments. With its presentation at IDEX 2025, Mercedes-Benz continues to strengthen its position in the defense market. This vehicle is set to become a crucial asset for armed forces worldwide, helping to ensure mobility and readiness in any operational environment.